It sounds like you've had quite an experience testing out the DJI Goggles N3 and pairing them with the DJI Neo and other accessories like heated gloves. Here's a quick breakdown of your impressions. Highlights of the DJI Goggles N3 price point: priced at €279, $300. They're significantly cheaper than the higher-end Goggles 3, making them an excellent entry-level option for FPV flying. The Fly More combo at $579 offers great value for those looking for a full package. Glasses-friendly design: the N3 accommodates glasses, which is a huge improvement and a game-changer for users who don't want to deal with contact lenses. Improved fit and comfort. Enhanced padding reduces light leakage, ensuring a fully immersive experience. Total weight: 539 g, including the strap and battery, remains manageable for extended use. Visual and functional upgrades: a better, upward curved screen provides a smoother visual experience. Removal of the internal light sensor simplifies the user experience. Fast charging and long battery life: 2.7 hours, add convenience. Compatibility: currently compatible with DJI Avata and Neo drones, leveraging the OcuSync 4 system. Potential future compatibility with Mini 4 Pro and Air 3S could broaden its appeal. Usability: with RC motion controllers, works seamlessly with various RC controllers, offering versatile control options. Durability and ease of use: sturdiness was evident even after multiple crashes during testing. Features like Find My Drone make it easier to recover lost equipment. Comparison with other models: Goggles 3. More expensive, $600, but includes pass-through cameras for flying visibility, a feature you didn't miss much. Slightly less immersive screen compared to the N3. Integra shares similar functionality, but doesn't stand out in comfort or screen quality as much as the N3. Testing environment: mixed environments. Dense areas with branches versus open fields showcase the Goggles N3's strengths and limitations. While performance in open spaces might be ideal, the challenges of tighter areas added valuable crash test insights. Bonus accessory: heated gloves. The heated gloves from DJI were a lifesaver in the cold, featuring built-in battery packs for warmth. Fingertip access for precise drone controls. Practical storage pockets and magnetic features for added utility. A minor downside: the gloves didn't match your jacket. Final thoughts: the DJI Goggles N3 are an excellent option for both beginners and enthusiasts looking for a budget-friendly yet feature-rich FPV experience. Whether you're exploring dense forests, shooting cinematic shots, or just experimenting in your backyard, the Goggles N3 offers versatility, comfort, and performance at a competitive price point. If you'd like, I can help draft a script for a video review or create SEO-optimized content to share your experiences.